Russia launched its largest air attack on Ukraine since the start of the war.
Russian forces carried out the biggest attack of the war overnight.
Russian strike hit a government building in Kyiv.
Russia has increased the intensity of attacks.
Russia launching its largest air attack on Ukraine ever.
Ukraine. A country of breathtaking landscapes, deep history, warm people, and ongoing conflict. In 2025, the question many travelers ask is simple. Is it brave to visit Ukraine or just plain foolish? Today, we're diving deep into the realities of traveling to Ukraine in 2025. From safety concerns and cultural gems to local tips and future tourism potential, this is your ultimate Ukraine travel guide. First, let's be real. Ukraine is still at war. Certain regions, especially in the east and south, remain dangerous and are absolutely not safe for travelers. The government itself advises against visiting those areas, but western and central Ukraine, including Uzhhorod, Lviv, and the Carpathians, are relatively stable. Many foreign visitors, journalists, and even digital nomads are already there. So travel is possible, but it requires awareness, caution, and respect. So why are people visiting at all? Cultural richness. Ukraine is one of Europe's oldest civilizations, with traditions stretching back over 1,000 years. Hospitality. Ukrainians are famously warm, welcoming guests with open arms despite the hardships. Food and drink, from borscht to vareniki and locally brewed horilka, Ukraine's food scene is surprisingly diverse. Budget travel. Compared to most of Europe, prices are incredibly affordable. For many, visiting Ukraine is more than tourism, it's solidarity. By staying in hotels, eating at restaurants, and hiring local guides, visitors support the economy during difficult times. But let's be honest, safety is the big question. Here are key tips if you're considering a trip. 1. Avoid frontline regions completely. Stick to Western Ukraine. 2. Follow local news and government advisories daily. 3. Download air raid alert apps. Yes, that's part of daily life. 4. Know where shelters are located in your area. 5. Travel with locals if possible. They'll know safe routes and real-time updates. If you're a nervous traveler, this might not be the trip for you, but if you're adaptable and prepared, Ukraine is not a reckless choice. Now let's talk about what you can actually see in 2025. Uzhhorod, a charming small city right near the Slovakian border, known for its castle, riverside walks, and peaceful atmosphere. Lviv, often called the cultural heart of Ukraine. Think cobblestone streets, coffee culture, and Central European charm. Carpathian Mountains, stunning natural beauty, perfect for hiking, skiing, and connecting with nature. Odessa, with caution, a city on the Black Sea, known for beaches and architecture, but always check the latest safety situation. Chernobyl exclusion zone. Yes, it's still open for tours, though visits are strictly controlled and not for everyone. Chernivtsi, often called Little Vienna, this university town is full of beautiful architecture and youthful energy. So is it brave or foolish? Let's weigh it out. Checkmark pros: affordable travel, unique culture, resilient people, and unforgettable experiences. Cons: ongoing war risk, psychological stress from sirens, travel insurance issues, and limited flight access. One thing is certain: Ukraine will rise again. When peace comes, the country has the potential to become one of Europe's most exciting destinations. Those who visit now often say they feel part of history, witnessing resilience and courage firsthand. So, would you travel to Ukraine this year, brave or foolish? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out our other travel videos. Stay safe and see you in the next adventure.